which is, let's see this. This is my right angle triangle. This is my vertical wall, and this is my ladder. So this is the vertical wall. This is the ladder. And so this becomes the length of the ladder. Length of the ladder. Then we have the foot of the ladder and the vertical wall. So you can see that the distance between the foot of the ladder and the vertical wall, it will be at the base. So this will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the vertical wall. So if I have an angle forming here, the angle will be the ladder makes an angle to the wall. So this is where your angle will be formed. If the ladder makes an angle to the wall, this is where your angle will be formed. But if they say that the ladder makes an angle to the ground, this is where our angle will be forming. So take note of this. We are going to apply this in solving most of the questions. So the first question I have here is, but before I forget, this will be your height of the wall. Good. So the first question is, a ladder leans against a vertical wall at an angle of 60 degrees to the wall. If the foot of the ladder is 5 meters away from the wall, calculate the length of the ladder. So we are going to draw this whole statement diagrammatically. Okay? So we come here and we pick each line. A ladder leans against a vertical wall. This is my vertical wall. And this is the ladder leaning against the vertical wall. And I will enclose it to form a right angle triangle. Then it says that it makes an angle of 60 degrees to the wall. So where do you think our 60 degrees will be formed? To the wall. So at the top here. So 60 degrees. Then it's further stated that if the foot of the ladder is 5 meters away from the wall, so where do you think our 5 meters will be? Great. At the base. From the foot of the ladder to the wall. So this is where our 5 meters will be forming. The question now, calculate the length of the ladder. This is the ladder and this is the length of the ladder. So this is where our length will be. Okay, good. So we can say that let X represent the length of the ladder. So let's label our right angle triangle as ABC. So let X represent the length of the ladder. Great. Then, please do not forget your SOHCAHTOA. Your SOHCAHTOA. We are using trig ratios. So you ask yourself, which of the trig ratios can you use in solving for your X? So we have an angle being positioned here. And the angle is directly opposite to the 5. And we have to look for the hypotenuse, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So which of the trig ratios? That is OH. So sine. Great. So this becomes sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then you substitute your value. What is our angle? Our angle is 60 degrees. So it becomes sine 60 degrees equals, what is our opposite? That is 5. 5 over hypotenuse is unknown over x. So to find x, what do? We have to do a simple change of sign. So x is equal to 5 over sine 60 degrees. Great. So 6